Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD01 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can happen for various reasons, such as a faulty power cable or internal component failure. If not addressed promptly, you might find yourself without a reliable cleaning solution, and that can be quite inconvenient. To tackle this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement power cable compatible with the Dyson HD01, some electrical tape, and a pair of pliers. Begin by ensuring your Dyson is unplugged for safety. Locate the screws on the base of the vacuum. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove these screws while keeping them in a safe place. Gently pry open the outer casing, being cautious not to force it, as this could damage the plastic clips holding it together. Once open, you'll need to identify the faulty power cable. Look for any visible signs of wear or damage. If you find the cable is frayed or broken, it's time to replace it. Carefully disconnect the cable from the internal connectors, taking note of how it's attached. This will make reassembly easier. As you extract the faulty cable, be gentle to avoid damaging nearby components. When installing the new cable, ensure you connect it exactly as the old one was, securing it firmly but not too tightly. Use the electrical tape to reinforce the connections, ensuring no exposed wires are left that could cause a short circuit. After the new cable is in place, carefully replace the outer casing, ensuring all clips are aligned correctly. Reinsert the screws and tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, which could strip the threads. Once everything is back together, plug the Dyson HD01 back in and switch it on. If it powers up, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly inspect your power cable for any signs of damage, avoid yanking the cable when unplugging, and store your Dyson in a safe place where it won't be accidentally pulled or damaged. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.